Happy Thursday, people. The rain took a break somewhere in the last 4 days here. It's been going strong, but I just thought I'd share this with you guys. I was out here 8 or 10 years ago when I was a single man company, and I worked on this farm. I spent a week or two out here. I completely restored this home, did some new siding, did some old stuff. This is one of the big ones that I did myself back when my company was one person, and it's so beautiful out here. It's in the middle of nowhere. Old house from the very early 1900s. They have a cabin in the woods. They got traditional pump house. They got horse barns, and it's so secluded out here. We got the back side of this one too. I'll kind of give you the lay of the land. There's their pump house. There's their horse barns. There's a cabin back there in the woods. I'll switch this around and show you guys why I love this place. So you can see old house, remodeled, added on to over the years. So I painted this one maybe like 8 or 10 years ago. Yeah, it was a fun one out here. I had my family out here a whole bunch of times. I think the only areas that show a lot of wear and tear, I mean after 8 or 10 years, it's amazing. This deck still looks good. They got some water leaks on this flat roof. You can see water dripping down that column. It's a little wear and tear. You can see that, that's fairly, they got a water leak on the rubber roof that's coming through there. That's about the only real damage on this place. It looks pretty good. A little bit of stuff on the gable up there. South side, old house, understandably. It's a good looking house. And you couldn't have a better setting out here. Tranquil, overlooking the horse pasture here. I'm just glad the rain stopped for a few minutes so I could actually get out of the mobile command unit and do this. So, alright, just thought I'd share.